Okay, so I have had the eufyMake E1 UV printer now for a full year. I have been consistently using it in my small business. And since I had it for a full year now, I feel like I can now give you my honest review about it. I'm gonna let you guys know what I like, what I don't like, and if it's actually worth purchasing if you're trying to get into UV printing. If you're new here, hello, my name is Michelle and I am the creator behind Lily Rose Craft Room. And I run a channel where I test out different machines from embroidery to lasers to different types of printers. And I always look at it from a small business perspective. So if you're a small business and you're into crafting, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications bell so you guys don't miss out on any new videos. Okay, so this is not going to be a first impressions video. I've had this eufyMake UV printer now for a full year. So everything that I'm sharing is based on my actual experience. So what exactly can this machine do? This machine can do a lot. You can print directly on acrylic, wood, glass, golf balls, magnets, ceramic, coasters, tumblers. You can do so much with this printer. One of my most favorite things to make with my eufyMake UV printer is cake toppers. And these are a best seller. Any theme, anything I can make with this. I actually dropped it right before filming. That's why the stick is missing, but cake toppers are a best seller. Another thing that I like to print with the eufyMake is UVDTF stickers. So this right here is specifically a glass can wrap. So these glass cans, you see them everywhere at craft shows, craft markets. These are very, very popular. And you can make UVDTF stickers with the eufyMake. And to make these, you also need the laminator. So it's really easy to make these UVDTF stickers. You put your sticker paper on the standard size bed of the eufyMake UV printer, you print on it, and then right after you run it through your laminator machine and you cut them to size and you have your own UV DTF stickers. So these are another favorite thing to make. And then we have tumblers. Tumblers are also super easy to make. All you need to do is have the rotary device, put it inside, and it does everything for you. It self-levels it for you. So all you have to do is insert your image, drag it onto your material on the software, and hit print. It does everything for you. Another thing that I have also enjoyed printing is canvases. So this is pretty big. It's a 12 by 16 inch canvas, and this eufyMake prints it with no problem. And the colors are always so vibrant. And then we have this one as well. It's a metal plate and it printed with no problem. It's also a 12 by 16 piece. And this one also has kind of like a 3D texture, and the colors on this are very, very vibrant. The colors with this machine, very consistent. And another cool thing I have made with this printer is printed on a Rubik's Cube. So this one was a blank cube and I printed on each side, and I will not bother shuffling it because I don't know how to put it back. So you could print on a Rubik's Cube. I just want to show you guys really quick how easy it is to change the plates of the eufyMake. So this one right here is the mini plate and it comes with the machine. So right here you have this tab and it's lock and unlock. So to remove this, all you have to do is slide this to the unlock position and lift it out. And this is super, super light. And then to put it back in, we just put it on and lock it. Next, let me show you how easy it is to put the standard bed on here. So I'm just gonna remove this. Okay, and this bigger size bed is the standard bed. And this one also comes with the machine. So right here, it has like a little block that sticks out and it's gonna fall right into place right here. So you just put it over it like that. And you know when it falls in, and then you're gonna get this tab right here and lock it into place. And there it is, it's locked. And the next attachment that we have is the rotary. So let me get that one. Okay, and this one right here is your rotary. This is for tumblers and cups. And this one does not come with your machine. It is an extra add-on, but I do recommend it. It's really cool to make tumblers. And just like the other one, super easy to put on. You just place it right there, and then you just lock it into place and it's locked in. Super, super easy. So what about the print quality and consistency? The quality is solid with sharp detail and vibrant colors. Most importantly, it's consistent. The eufyMake has a library full of different materials, so all you have to do is choose the material you're working on and your prints will come out amazing every single time. And that reliability is huge for small businesses. So what about the maintenance? Like I've told you in the past, I don't babysit this machine. It has auto maintenance, it has auto cleaning. Only once a month I do the manual cleaning where you have to clean in the capping station and clean the wipers on it, but that is all I do. I don't do anything else. This machine is very, very low maintenance. So how easy is it to use this machine? You don't ever have to be intimidated by using this machine. It is super, super user friendly. All you have to do is put your material inside the machine and click snapshot. And what that does is it will auto measure how thick your material is, and it takes a picture of the material inside your printer. And then all you have to do is upload your image, drag it onto your material, and hit print. That is it. It's that easy. It's very simple and beginner friendly. So what can you make for your business? You can make so many different things. You can make tumblers, cake toppers, signage for weddings, birthdays, anything personalized, anything custom. You need full color. This printer is perfect for you. All right, now let's get into the pros and cons. The pros, the consistent quality is amazing. It has multi-material capability. The 3D effects on it is amazing. It's very user-friendly and it's great for business. So I was thinking about cons, and it's really hard to think of any cons because this machine is so great. There really isn't any cons. The only thing I wish for is that I wish it had a separate white nozzle. That way I can put the flexible white ink along with the regular white ink, because sometimes if I want to print on like a silicone, something flexible, it's there instead of switching out the whole entire white and putting in the flexible white ink. But that's pretty much it, I think. I do wish they had a bigger version so I could print bigger things, more bulk, bigger signage. But to be honest, there's not really any cons. All right, so the final verdict. After using this machine for 1 year, this is the most versatile machine that I have ever owned. I'm not just limited to printing on flat objects. I can print on round objects. I can print stickers. I can print on anything. I have printed on phone chargers. Like what? This machine is amazing for creating custom products on demand. And if you guys have any further questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. I also wanted to mention, if you guys have been following eufyMake since the Kickstarter, they are currently in the process right now of wrapping up all of those orders. So people are getting their orders and it's so exciting to see. And once that phase is fully completed, new orders are going to ship out much faster than before. So you're not dealing with those long wait times anymore. All right, that is it for today's video. If you guys have any questions about the eufyMake UV printer, make sure to leave them down in the comments below. And if you're interested in getting your hands on the UV printer, make sure to click the link that I listed in the description. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. That all helps my channel grow. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.